Hello everybody and welcome to my kitchen playground. Today we are going to twist up our sourdough bread by using milk instead of water, and the outcome is unbelievable delicious. It is so good that I will never go back to make the bread with just water again. There are some adjustments with milk that we need to do. First, we need extra 10% of milk more than what we need with water. Second, we need to scald the milk beforehand to break down enzyme amylase in the milk by heating up the milk below its boiling point or 82 degrees Celsius until small bubbles start to form at the edge of the pan but not yet boiling. Let it cool down before mix it with the other ingredients. I use 50 grams of multigrain mix and 450 grams of strong bread flour. The bread flour of your choice should have 12% or more of protein content in order to develop strong gluten for our bread. 12 grams of sea salt. Salt not only enhances the flavor, it also slows down the fermentation process so that the bread can develop more flavor. 100 grams of mature starter at its peak. After 30 minutes, we will add salt and do pinch and fold for 5 minutes. This is the crucial step for strong gluten development. After the dough reaches the bulk fermentation that we want, lightly dust the flour on the counter. The dough will have the dome shape, and there are some small bubbles at the surface. Dip the dough scraper in the water and use it to push the dough away from the bowl. The dough will easily transfer from the bowl to the counter. Use the bench scraper to slide and roll the dough on the counter to create tension without deflate the air pockets. Once the dough starts to form a ball shape, we will create more tension with our palms. This is the best way to preserve the most of air bubbles. Cover with a tea towel and bench rest for 15 to 30 minutes. After 15 minutes, we will shape the dough into the Benetton basket. I shape it in the super easy way. Just flip it up and lift both sides up into the basket. Carefully tighten the seam. Cover the basket with the basket liner or a tea towel, then put it in a plastic bag. Bench rest for another 30 minutes, then put the dough in the fridge for the 12 hours cold fermentation. And here comes the sourdough milk bread fresh from the oven. The entire house was filled with the smell of this milk bread that is much more aromatic than the conventional sourdough. It exhibits the crisp sourdough crust, but at the same time yields the soft, chewy texture. No wonder that it is the sourdough recipe I do over and over again. I hope you'd enjoy my video and please subscribe to my channel, because I always come up with the new recipe in my cooking. Not only sourdough, but also authentic and fusion Thai cuisine that you would not want to miss out. Please leave a comment and let me know what do you think about this sourdough milk bread, and let's have fun in our kitchen playground.